guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a fun one. We're gonna be we're gonna be testing out some new makeup from E.L.F and Physicians Formula. They both have released some new makeup, and I just wanted to hop on, try it out with you guys, and see what my thoughts are. So before we get into it, do not forget to like and subscribe down below, and yeah, let's get started, guys. So E.L.F recently released, it's not been super recent, but I've had this stuff for a little bit and I'm finally having time to film now. E.L.F released their new camo CC cream, and I got this, and then their concealer they had released a little while back. This is the Flawless Brightening Concealer. Picked up those two items, and then I picked up a couple things from the, I think it's like Mint to Be collection or something. It's like mint line, so I got the two little eyeshadow palettes. So I really did enjoy these little bite-sized eyeshadow palettes by E.L.F. They are really good. I have two other ones in the bite-sized collection. These are $4 instead of $3. So I hope they don't keep jacking up the price, otherwise that'll be kind of dumb. But anyways, so that's the things I got from that line. And then I ordered some of the new Physicians Formula stuff on Ulta's website because I went to a couple of Walmarts and I was not finding it. So I got the All-Star Physicians Formula palette. I have already used the highlighter in here, that's why it looks a little funny there in the middle, but the highlighter is amazing in this palette, and I'm excited to try out this blush, and of course the new bronzer. And I did go ahead and pick up the Diamond Dust highlighter. I hope that's not the one in here. No, it doesn't look like this is the one in here. Yeah, looks like this is a different... Anyways, I picked up this highlighter. It's called the Diamond Dust Mineral Wear Starlit Glow is the shade. So I picked that up. And then I did go ahead and pick up the new Butter Bronzer in the single style from Ulta. And then they had a couple other new Physician Formula products. This is the Butter Eyeliner, and then they had the Slim Brow Pencil. So that is the new Physician Formula stuff I picked up. Let's go ahead and start testing out some of this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. Camo CC Cream. I got mine in the shade Fair 120 Neutral. So let's hope it's a good shade. It does seem a tad light, just a tad, but that's not too bad. So I can still see just a tad bit of my redness on my cheeks kind of like peeking through. Just a tad. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So I would say this foundation has a good medium coverage. So I'm going to go in with the Flawless Brightening Concealer next. And it's like one of the clicky concealers. Interesting. I don't know if I like this style. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about the clicky concealer. I have their E.L.F. Camo concealer in the hydrating formula, and that's like my favorite concealer. It has great coverage and it doesn't really like crease on me. I do like how the foundation has like dried down to the touch, so I do really like that. I would probably go in with another whole layer of foundation. Let's see you guys back out a little bit. I'd probably go back in with another layer of foundation, but it's okay. It's a good, you know, medium coverage for today. I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I powdered, put on my brows. I did use the new Physicians Formula Slim Brow Pencil. Mine is in the shade medium brown. So what I did with my brows is I just put a line along the bottom with a brow pencil, fill in just a little, and then I go in with my Gimme Brow and fill in more, and then set it with the 24-hour brow setter from Benefits. So this did its job. It was good, decent, so I can't complain about that. Let's go in with the All-Star Physicians Formula palette. I'm going to go in with the new matte bronzer. I love how it has like the little indentions of the flower, and like this one has the hearts, and this one has the original Physicians Formula look. I just love the little indentions and everything. So right off the bat, this is a very pigmented bronzer. It is blending out really good, so my skin does look pretty even now. And it looks better now that I'm adding a little bit of color. Alright, let's go in with the Happy Booster Glow and Mood Boosting Blush. This one right here. I always put blush on my nose. It's kind of been my new thing of kind of late 2021 or late 2020. This is actually a really pretty blush. Okay. And then I think I want to go in with this Diamond Dust one. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a really pretty iridescent. So there's what it looks like. It's really pretty. This really reminds me of my Fenty Beauty, like the Kilowatt highlighter. Oh, it's so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. I always just like to use my finger to put on highlighter. I don't know why, but I feel like it just like applies better than using a brush. I feel like all the product gets stuck in the brush for highlighter, that is. That's just me. Okay, so this was really good. Home run for this. Alright, let's go in with these meant to be E.L.F. eyeshadows. So those are the swatches from chocolate mint. And then these lighter ones are the meant to be one. This one right here. So I can already tell that the chocolate mint eyeshadow palette up here looks way better than this one down here. But the one shimmer in this palette is really pretty. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this like darker green color here on just a nice like fluffy blending brush. I'm going to try to work that into my crease. Okay, so that's not too bad. It has some good pigment. I actually really like that shade. I think it's actually really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and drag this same shade onto my lower lash line. I'm just going to try to use this same brush. And then I'm going to just kind of do something really easy. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Maybe I should do the green shade. I'm going to do the green shade. I'm going to take that and kind of just place it all over my eyelid. I feel like a lot of it is staying on my finger and not transferring onto my eyelid. I know I've found that with some shadows, they seem to do that. I don't know why. It is pretty, but it's not as green. It's not coming off as green as it is in the like eyeshadow pan. Going over it with a second layer does help though. Now I'm going to go in with the middle shade here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner, just using my pinky. Okay. This eye look I think is kind of smoky, kind of different. I kind of like it. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I put on some mascara and I am back. I just used my Air Volume Mega Mascara by L'Oreal. This stuff is amazing if you guys have not tried this out. It's all I've been using for like a month now. Overall, all the products are really good. I can't say none of them I don't really like. I kind of am not sure about the the Flawless Brightening Concealer. I wish it had more coverage. I feel like it doesn't have the greatest of coverage. This is good because it is just a CC cream, so by that you know it's just going to be like a medium coverage. So I do like this. I do kind of wish I would have got one shade darker, but I was able to even it out with some bronzer and, you know, figured that out. The brow product is good. I would recommend it if you've not tried out any of their brow stuff. The E.L.F eyeshadow palettes are good. Really like them. I've always really liked the Bite Size line. They were great. Love this All-Star palette. I think it's great that you can get this and you can get a nice like finishing powder, a blush, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers. Highly recommend this palette if you've not picked it up. It is a Walmart exclusive, and then I think I got mine off Ulta's website, so maybe just the Physicians Formula website, Ulta, and then Walmart. I thought it was only being carried at Walmart, but I did get mine on Ulta's website. And then really did like this highlighter, really good. So the only thing I've not tried out was this eyeliner I did pick up, but I just feel like this look didn't really need an eyeliner, or, you know, any eyeliner. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, trying out some new drugstore products. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, same thing as a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.